we are discussing ectopic pregnancy. This is Dr. Deepti Asthana. I'm Senior Consultant Gynecologist and Obstetrician in Fortis Hospital, Gurugram, and Director, Calosa Clinic. Let's take a closer look at the anatomy and the physiology. So, I need to take help of this diagram. Now, typically, the egg gets fertilized in the middle part of the fallopian tube here and then travels down to get implanted in the upper part of the uterine cavity here. ये egg ट्यूब के मिडिल पार्ट में फर्टिलाइज होकर देन ट्रैवल करके यूट्रस में इम्प्लांट होता है. नाउ इट अल्टीमेटली अटैचेस टू द लाइनिंग ऑफ द यूट्रस, बट फॉर एनी रीजन अगर आपके ट्यूब्स डैमेज्ड हैं या फिर फर्टिलाइज एग के ट्रैवल होने में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, देन आपकी प्रेगनेंसी यहाँ तक ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाएगी एंड इट गेट्स स्टक हियर ओनली, एंड दिस इज व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एज एक्टोपिक प्रेगनेंसी. हार्मोनल imbalances or abnormal development of fertilized egg also play a part in having this. Now, actually, fallopian tube is not meant to hold a growing embryo and can't stretch like a uterus. They burst as the fertilized egg develops, leading to massive intra-abdominal hemorrhage, which is actually life-threatening. Now, what can be the other sites of ectopic pregnancy? I told you, fallopian tube, this is the most common site. The other sites which we have for ectopic pregnancies are ovarian tissues, ovary, abdominal cavity, and the lower part of the uterus, which is also called as cervix. Now, moving on, let us know what are the causes of ectopic pregnancy. क्यों होती है ये ectopic pregnancies? Now, the tubal pregnancy most commonly is due to damaged fallopian tubes by inflammation or infection. So, any pelvic inflammatory disease leading to damaged tubes can result in ectopic pregnancy. Now, as we all know, tuberculosis is so common in India. And also apart from this, chlamydial infection or gonorrheal infection, these can also damage the tubes. Now, previous ectopic pregnancy, this is also a risk factor. If you have already had a previous ectopic pregnancy before, then you are at a higher risk in your second pregnancy. Next is we have fertility treatments. Now, various studies suggest that women who have IVF or analogous treatments, they are more likely to have an ectopic gestation. Now, next risk factor is tubal surgery. Now, whenever we do any surgeries to correct fallopian tube, this increases the threat of an ectopic gestation. Next is the choice of birth control. Now, the chance of getting pregnant while using an intrauterine device is rare, but still, if you do get pregnant with IUD in place, it is more likely to be an ectopic. Tubal ligation also raises your threat, and if you become pregnant after these, please get an early investigation done to rule out ectopic pregnancy. Last but not the least, smoking. Cigarette smoking just before you get pregnant is also known to increase your threat of ectopic gestation.